Hello, friend.
Who doesn't love the idea of a natural glow and a cute, youthful face? Whether you're a teenager dealing with skin changes or someone of any age wanting to maintain a beautiful, radiant complexion, face exercises and massages can be your secret weapon. At our channel MTCHD, we've got you covered with simple techniques that don't require expensive products or complicated routines. So, here's a fun question. Have you ever tried face exercises or massages before? Tell us in the comments how it worked for you, or if you're new to the idea, let us know what you're excited to try. Let's start with face exercises, designed to tone and strengthen your facial muscles. These aren't just for looking cute, they improve blood flow, boost collagen production, and give your face a more sculpted look. Try the cheek lifter. Smile as wide as you can, press your fingers lightly on your cheeks, and lift them upward. Hold for 10 seconds and repeat. It's like a mini workout for your face, no gym membership required. Have you ever thought of your face as needing exercise? Next, let's try the jawline definer. Tilt your head back, push your jaw forward, and hold for a few seconds. It tightens the skin around your jaw and neck while reducing the appearance of a double chin. Want that sharp jawline? This exercise is your go-to. Which part of your face would you love to tone the most? Share with us below. Now, on to face massages. These are like spa sessions at home, giving your skin the love it deserves. Start with a simple circular motion using your fingertips on your forehead, cheeks, and chin. This improves circulation, reduces puffiness, and gives your skin a natural glow. Do you love pampering yourself with massages? For glowing skin, try the lymphatic drainage massage. With light pressure, use your fingers to move fluid outward from the center of your face to your ears and down your neck. This helps reduce swelling and flush out toxins. Pro tip: use a natural oil like almond or coconut oil for added hydration. Have you tried using oils in your skincare routine? Let us know your favorite. Teenagers, this one's for you. If you're dealing with pesky breakouts, focus on massages that help relax your facial muscles and reduce stress. Stress can wreak havoc on your skin, and massages are a great way to calm both your skin and your mind. What's your biggest skincare challenge right now? For all ages, consistency is key. Just a few minutes of face exercises and massages daily can make a huge difference over time. Combine these with healthy habits like staying hydrated, eating well, and using sunscreen, and you're on your way to glowing skin. What's one skincare tip you swear by? Remember, self-care isn't just about how you look, it's about how you feel. Taking time to nurture your skin with these exercises and massages is a form of self-love. Plus, it's fun. You can even turn it into a bonding activity with friends or family. Who would you love to do a face massage session with? At our channel MTCHD, we're all about helping you feel and look your best. So, try these techniques, and don't forget to let us know in the comments which one is your favorite. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and check out more tips for glowing skin and confidence-boosting beauty routines. Let's shine together.